So this is me first time looking at a Gateron switch. This is the Gateron switch as you can look here. Let me try to show it to you. Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. This is a Gateron switch as you can see. It says Gateron. Okay, so not Gateron. Gateron switch. And this is an Outemu switch. This is an Outemu switch as you can see. Oh, it's reversed. It says OUTEMU. The question is, now this is an Outemu swappable keyboard. The one you see right now, this is an Outemu swappable keyboard. It's not a hot swappable keyboard. Question is, can this fit inside it? So let's first look into this. Now, I have two types of Gateron switches. The first are the 3-pin. I don't know why do they call this also a pin, but the point is they call this a pin. So this is a 3-pin switch, 1, 2, and 3. Outemus are also a 3-pin switch. I have different Outemu Gateron switches, as you can see here. This is for the next video, which are 5-pin. If you look closely, okay. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will have to clip these and maybe cut these. So that is a future video. For now, this is the Gateron switch. This is an Outemu switch, and I don't know. So it looks like these might fit. What do you say? It looks like that these might actually fit. Let's first clear the thing about the keycap. So the keycap, so the keycap, you can see these are the normal keycaps. So it only cares about the middle portion. It doesn't care what happens to the sides. So I think the keycaps is not an issue. I am still new to this. That's why I am taking so much time. Okay, yeah. So the keycap can be installed easily. Not an issue. Question is, will these work? Okay, so let's, instead of making any more successful that has already been, let's try and install these switches. Okay, let's try to install just one. Oh, something went wrong. Will these not fit? Okay, I bent the switches. Are these longer? I'm not sure. I need to check. I only have 10 of these. We should check them first. Are these longer than these? What am I doing wrong? No, it looks like the same length. Okay, these have installed, but I don't know the way they went in, and I don't want to pick them out. I don't want to take them out right now. Let me try to install another one. Let's see if I get the same thing. So this is normal switch. Let's come down a bit. Let's try to install it here. Because something is weird. I think it takes a bit. Yeah. Yep. I bent this again. What is wrong? I don't know. I'm sure I bent it. Yep. Maybe they are a bit longer. I think that is the problem. You know what? I need to check this online first. 3, 2, 1, and okay, it already started. So yeah, I was right about this. Okay, I was right about this. The whatever these clippers are, they are a bit long. Okay, question is, maybe the front ones fit, but the back ones fit. The front one, the outside ones, they are longer. So yeah, let's keep these to the side for a while. Question is, how do I determine how long? Give me a new switch. I need a new switch.
तू जा ना मैं चला जाऊंगा जा मैं चला जाऊंगा जा
Hmm. 3, 2, 1, recording start. जा रहे हो क्या? तुम भी जा रहे हो? अच्छा, no worries. Okay, so I think I figured out the problem. If you look closely, okay, if you look closely, the Gateron, it's a bit bent towards the top, as you can see here. Okay, and this is not. Okay, so this doesn't actually fit, at least in the front clipper. So it looks like if I just clip this part, it should be enough. I don't even have to touch this pin in the Gateron switches. In Outemu, it is quite simple. So let's try to do that. So let's try it. Thank God this is not my money. Thank God you all donated your money. Okay, as you can see, I have very steady hands. Let's try it. This was still tight. Why was it still tight? Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. No. So nothing wrong happened. There was nothing bad that happened, but I don't know what went wrong. It just felt too tight. That's all. Mhm. Oh yeah, these are working. Okay, let's try to salvage the older ones. The ones whose pins I have bent. Let's try to. Okay, so this is the only part we're interested in. If you see it properly, this little part. Okay, there is also, it looks like Outemu was here to here. Okay, Outemu was here to here, and then they added this part. I don't know, but this also means that I don't know what will happen if I get a hot swappable switches, hot swappable keyboard. Maybe this will not fit that keyboard anyway. If I just clip this part out. द टिप इज लट नहीं, ज़्यादा क्लिप नहीं किया, ज़्यादा क्लिप किया होता तो नहीं काम करता. लेट्स ट्राई इट. सॉरी, दिस इज द ग्लोबल चैनल, आई कीप फॉरगेटिंग. Let's see if it works. Yes, finally. One more I bent. Let's try this one also. First, let's fix it. I think I will clip it a lot if I try to do it more. Let's keep it until here only. Hmm. Okay, now let's get on with all the rest of the switches. I have 10 of them. Let's clip them and then let's be done with these. This is the only one we are interested in. I saw in some other video that you have to clip both of them. Nah, I don't think it's needed. One is enough. We tried putting it in and taking it out. Still works. No worries, no complaints. Okay, that was definitely. I will need to recheck that later. But it works as long as I don't care. Yeah, maybe he was right. Maybe I also need to clip that one also a bit. Or maybe not, I don't know. It's working. No worries. Oh shit, I forgot to clip the switches. Oh, but yeah, this time we'll look closely if we are clipping the first one also. No, we are not clipping the first one, as you can see. So I think this is fine. Now I actually want to solder them now on the board. If these were no non, if I did it on the other keyboard on a non-swappable one, I would actually desolder and solder them. Now I understand why custom keyboards people like to solder them just to give them that extra grip. Well, to the anyways, sorry, English. I keep forgetting. Yeah, I speak very fast English. English. Maybe I cut this one a bit much. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that stupid idiot. Yes, because I learned. I don't know. I never used to say that, but persons I live with, I work with, I copy them, without even thinking. Now, next ones would be the Gateron 5 pin one. Okay, so the next video would be the other one after I am done with these. And these looks a bit. Yeah, I think I clipped up a lot. I don't know. Let's see. Yep. Shit. I keep forgetting these keyboards are still pinned in. Yep. One different words, which is the same thing, other words. Mass up, yeah, shit. Okay, looks like these ones are dead. You are even you. Don't stop thinking this. I know. Break up your life till you get sober. Don't stop thinking this. I know, my friend. Yep. Thinking this. I know. Break up your life till you get sober. Don't stop thinking this. I know. No, it is and the whole fast process takes me higher. What is wrong? What is going on? I don't know. These are clipped, aren't they? These are clipped. Delicious. The types in I don't want to clip them anymore. Maybe I need to clip these one a bit. Let's try them out once more. Yep, didn't work. Moving on. Moving on. Someone has had to sacrifice themselves. I think this one is dead. We will look into it later. I think the correct way is to. I don't know if I have to clip these one or not. Why do these look bent? Yeah, because these became bent when I. This one is not working. This one is not working. This is not working. Okay, I need to clip this video here. Yeah, working, working, working. We have to check once more. Moving on to the last four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I only have these messages. I didn't know. Some kind of weapon. Is it recording? Yes. Mhm, mhm, mhm. This one bent. She was nobody's wife. Last one. Is it salvageable? Can we sort of revive it? Or is it dead? Let's try it. Okay, it's dead. We will have to solder it. Yeah, this is no way this is reaching that point. Nowhere. No way it's reaching. Oh, it did. The fuck? So even if you clip the, you might be fine clipping it a bit extra then. See how much it is clipped. It's just this much is left here, as you can see. Just this much. And it's still working. Okay. Then maybe it's also a good idea to clip these one also. But I do not have a hot swappable keyboard, so maybe I shouldn't do that. I will need to check how it works on a hot swappable keyboard before I do anything. And with that, we have replaced the Gateron switches. Is it working? Yes, yes. This is not working. Working, 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 working. And we do not have a switch here. This is working, this is working, this is not working. Why is it not working? Let's try it. So if if you have completely broken a switch, you can simply, even if you cut it like half, it will still work. Okay, so no worries. If you're trying to install a gateway switch in an Outemu swappable board only, there is no worries. Even if you clip it a bit more, okay, it's no problem. This will still work.